Introducing the Ford Tourneo Custom, the ideal choice for care providers, community transport, and organisations that need a stylish and flexible passenger vehicle. This brand new Ford offers seating for 9 passengers, with 3 seats up front and 6 in the rear, and also accommodates 1 wheelchair passenger. Packed with modern tech, including a 13-inch Ford touchscreen, Bluetooth Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus front and rear parking sensors and a reversing camera as standard. Comes with a full manufacturer warranty and 3-year conversion warranty for total peace of mind. Custom options such as sign writing, dash cams, and safety kits are available. To inquire, call 01782 444 289 or visit minibusonline.co.uk.